This is a tutorial on how to barb afro hairstyle. Before we go, please subscribe to my channel. This stream you are watching, look under by the right hand side, you see where the right hand should be SYB. Subscribe in capital letter, use your finger to press. Do nothing to subscribe, which means you have subscribed to my channel. Press the notification bell for you to be seeing my new notification as soon as I release my video to my YouTube channel. Thank you. You are welcome back. I'm starting from the down part of it. I adjust my clipper lever to 100% gap. I now use it to face down, cutting from center to down. Can you see I'm bringing the level of the down part to the low cut size? Can you see? I started from the left hand side going to the right hand side. I want to make the down part the same level round. Can you see it in form of arc? Don't forget, adjusted the adjustable lever into 100% gap. Now taking it from the center to down in form of low cut. I don't want to scrape entirely the down part of the hairstyle. You see the way I start, you see where I've reached now. I'm trying to blend it very well, to blend the down part of the haircut from the left hand side to the right hand side, from the right hand side to the left hand side, to blend it very well so that the down part of it will look rhyme and equally the same, very smooth to watch for eyes. In barbing afro hairstyle, you need to start at a point. When you finish for one side, you go into the other side. I want to frictioning the back. The lower part I've just put into skin cut or low cut. I want to put shape, the frictioning at the back. I've did frictioning for one side. I'm doing it for the other side too. I've did for the first side, I did for the second side. I now cut the down part of it. I now use attachment to comb. Starting from that center where the afro starts, now flanking up. I'm flanking up round the center of the hair where the hair has joined together with the low cut. Now can you see the way I'm flicking up? I've changed the attachment scope into attachment scope number 1. I want to reblend where the hair started, afro, where the afro started joining with the low cut. So I'm using attachment scope number 1 now to blend it so that I want to blend that line. The line that show in between the afro and the down part of it. I want to blend it totally so that the line will not show at all. So try to follow this tutorial step by step. I first use no attachment comb before. I adjust my clipper lever into 100% gap to lower the down part of it. After, I now pick attachment comb number 2 to flick round where the hair starts for the afro. After that one, I now pick attachment comb number 1 to clean the hairline in between the afro and the low cut under it. Can you see? I now pick attachment comb number 3 now to flick up again so that to blend from the center to where the afro starts upward a little bit so that to clean the whole line, no line will show there, no demarcation between the low cut and the afro hairstyle. Can you see? I've did that one now. I'm trying to recomb the hair back so that where is unleveled, where is uneven will show properly. It will show properly. Yeah, where one hair grow or go higher a little bit than the other will show properly. Then after this one now, I'm doing trimming, fully trimming, to bring the whole level of the afro, to bring the level the same at the top, so that one part will not be higher than the other. From the back, from the side, first side, the second side, and the front. So I'm trying to pick the one that comes out of the hair, of the hairstyle. So I want to bring the level the same, so that everything will look very, very smooth to watch for eyes. You see, I'm starting the trimming right from the back. From the back of the afro, come to the center of the head, directly to the front. Can you see the way I'm picking it? As I do for one side, trying to pick the top hairs to bring it to level for one side, and still at the same time I have to do for the other side too, so that the equation will balance. So I want evenness for the top of the hairstyle, the afro I'm barbing. Can you see the way I'm picking the front too? All the small hairs that comes out, I'm trying to pick them to bring them all to the same level, so that every part of it will look crisp and very, very smooth to watch. So this one, you have to close totally the mouth of your clipper, bring it to zero gap. Now after that one, now I'm now frictioning the front, giving the front line shape, so that the demarcation will show where the afro starts in the front. I'm trying to do the corner, the angle of the corner. I'm trying to fashion it out after bringing the arc, forming the arc by the side to end by the hair, where the hair starts. Can you see the way I'm picking it? I want to do for the other side, frictioning for the other side too, from the center of the head to the other side, where the angle will come out. Yeah, the angle of 85 degrees. Can you see? I want to form the arc to start by the center, comes down to where the hair starts, the down part of the hair. Can you see? I did it around, now trying to clean the entire hair, so that the customer will look and know any particles of hair on the body. You see it? Now I'm now trying to spray the whole hairline, the entire face, the neck, because of the rashes. After that one, now application of powder. Can you see application of powder to cool everything, to remove all small air particles on the customer? Can you see?